How to get a divorce without court in Alameda County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in Alameda County and want to avoid going to court, you're in luck. In most amicable cases, you can complete your entire divorce without ever stepping foot in a courtroom, and we're here to show you how. Let's break down how it works. In California, divorce doesn't require a court appearance if both spouses are in agreement and willing to cooperate. Alameda County supports this fully by requiring all filings to be done electronically. That means everything, from your initial petition to your final judgment, can be handled online without court hearings or in-person visits. The key is preparing your paperwork correctly. You'll start by filing your petition electronically, then serving your spouse or having them sign a notice of acknowledgement. From there, you'll exchange financial disclosures and finalize a written agreement that covers all the terms: property division, support, and if needed, custody. Once everything is ready, your final judgment package is submitted through the court's e-filing system. As long as it's accurate and complete, the court can approve your divorce without a hearing or court appearance. We recently helped a couple in Alameda who wanted to avoid any courtroom involvement. Within a few weeks, we had everything filed, served, signed, and submitted. Their case was finalized without them ever visiting the courthouse, and that's exactly what we aim to provide for all our clients. At Divorce661, we specialize in helping couples complete uncontested divorces entirely online. We take care of every step: filing, disclosures, agreements, and final judgment, so you never have to deal with courtrooms, paperwork errors, or delays. If you're looking for a way to get divorced in Alameda County without going to court, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll help you get it done right, the easy, affordable, and stress-free way.